Understand and use metric units of measurement and make sensible estimates of a range of measures. So I've listed here the metric units for length, which are kilometers, km, meters, centimeter, cm, and millimeter, mm. If we're talking about mass, then we'd have ton, t, kilogram, kg, gram, g, and milligram, mg. And capacity, it's a bit like volume. It's just how much you could fill in a container or a bottle. So litre L, centiliter CL, milliliter ml. So capacity does match up with volume, where volume would be centimeters cubed or meters cubed. You need to know which would be the appropriate unit for a range of measures. So you can pause the video and have a go at this yourself and then check when I go through it. So the length of a book, I would say, would be in centimeters. If you need to be really accurate, you could maybe argue millimeters. The mass of a dog, well, that would be in kilograms. Possibly you could argue, if you need to be very, very precise, grams. Volume of milk in a cup of coffee, so that would be milliliters. Now, to be honest with milliliters and centiliters, you don't use centiliters. It's not that often you see it. You'll maybe see in a can of Coke is 330 mils, 33 centiliters, but we don't commonly use centiliters, so I probably wouldn't use that as my answer for anything. And I would probably measure things in mils, or if it's really big, liters. Height of a building would be in meters. Mass of a car, it's heavy, so in tons. Distance from one town to another, that would be quite a long distance, so you'd need to go into kilometers. Not miles, because miles is an imperial unit. We're looking at only metric units. Capacity of a bath would be in liters. Thickness of a phone, well, a phone is at most a centimeter thick, so a centimeter is probably too big a measurement, so you need to go more precise than that and go into millimeters. Mass of a medicinal tablet would be in milligrams, and volume of a tin of Coke would be in mils, and you would get that right if you said CL, centiliters, as well.